Hey everyone, it's Hoochie from Nagios. In this video, I'll show you how to use the recurring downtime feature in Nagios XI. Recurring downtime in XI helps you manage your scheduled downtime for hosts and services without triggering unnecessary notifications. It stops notifications during planned tasks like reboots or patches so you don't get overwhelmed by them. Once set up, it automatically handles downtime so you don't need to adjust it every time. And with that said, let's get into it. The recurring downtime page is located under Incident Management. Here you can create recurring downtime schedules for hosts, services, host groups, and service groups. To create one, click on Add Schedule. First, enter the name of the host associated with this schedule. For this example, I'll use this printer. It's not going to have any child hosts, but if this were a switch, router, or some other kind of network access device, the machines plugged in might be defined as a child host, and this is where you could decide to do or not to do anything with those. You have the option to include all services on this host. That means that all the services that are on the host are also included in the downtime. I'm going to leave the box checked. Next, you can add a comment if you'd like. Now you can set the start time of the expected downtime. XI uses a 24-hour time format, so you'll have to input the time as such. I want to do 2 p.m., so I will input 14:00. For the duration, set a time for how long the downtime will be. I'll set it to 30 minutes. You also have the option to select specific months, weekdays, and days, but by default, it will apply to every month, weekday, and day unless otherwise specified. I'll leave these settings as is for this example. Once everything looks good, click on the Submit Schedule button. Now you have your newly created schedule that will run according to how you configured it. In my case, starting today, every day at 2 p.m., this host will stop sending notifications for 30 minutes. However, XI will still notify you when the downtime starts. If you don't want those notifications, click your user icon at the top right, go to Account Settings, and select Notification Preferences. If you prefer not to receive these notifications about the scheduled downtime starting, deselect both options and press Update Settings. Now XI won't send notifications during the scheduled downtime. And there you go. Now you know a little more about the recurring downtime feature in Nagios XI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. For any additional questions or assistance, visit support.nagios.com. And until next time, take care and keep monitoring.